Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So I'm coming to you with a quick centerpiece DIY. So I have these two I think they're beer mugs or something, whatever you want to call them, from Dollar Tree. I have this like fish bowl vase type thing from Dollar Tree. I have this floral foam from Dollar Tree, and this came from Dollar Tree as well. I've had this for a while. I haven't seen any of these in there in a long time because I was actually looking for some. um I have these diamond confetti things that I may use. I'm not sure. um I have these that I'm going to use to hang, and I have my floral wire, um, floral pins, I'm sorry, to hang these with. And I have flowers. So I have these flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. Um, I have these that I got from Family Dollar Store. So I went to Family Dollar Store yesterday, and all their flowers are buy one get one free. These were $1, and then they were buy one get one free. So definitely cheaper than the Dollar Tree, and they have these same ones at the Dollar Tree too. So, all right, the first thing we're gonna do is I'm going to turn this one upside down, and I'm going to glue this on here. So I'm gonna use my here it is, my E6000 and some hot glue. I'm just gonna use the E6000 to make it permanent, and the hot glue to make it stick like right now. Okay. So I'm just going to put a little bit there. So I'm gonna put a little hot glue. I'm not gonna put as much because seems like when I use hot glue, it makes it like dark, leave like a dark stain, and I don't want that. So I'm just gonna put a few little drops just so it can adhere quickly. Alright. And then I'm gonna set that on there. Right, so this is what it looks like so far. Then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to glue it down inside of there. Alright, so I'm going to glue it down in there like that. So I'm going to again put some E6000 on the bottom. So that you can end each day crafting a perfectly delicious dinner. Hillshire Farm. Made right. And then I'm just going to put a few drops of hot glue. Not much, just a few little drops. And then I'm going to stick that down in there, like so. And then I'm going to take this, so it has these little like feet things on the bottom, so I can't lay it down flat, so I'm going to turn it upside down like this and glue it on the top. So I'm going to put a little E6000 around the rim. Put a little hot glue. I would put a dab there, dab there. Right, and then I'm just going to turn this upside down. I have to clean this up over here because I wasted hot glue on that. So I clean that up. Alright, and then I'm going to take my styrofoam and I'm going to just put a little hot glue on the bottom of this, and I'm going to glue this on the top. So I'm going to let this dry for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is what it looks like all glued together. So now I'm just going to start putting flowers in. I think I cut the stems too long, but I can always shorten them. So I'm just gonna start putting them in no particular order. Again, I got some of these from Dollar Tree, some of them from Family Dollar Store. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish putting flowers in, and then I will be back. Alright, so this is what it looks like with all the flowers added. Then I'm going to probably add some of these in the bowl right here. Let's see how that looks. Oh no, I'm not going to add them in there because they don't fit. Maybe I can add these little pearls in there. Let's see. Let's see if they fit. No, I got to get something smaller to fit in there because I don't like that. It's just, I don't like it. So I got to add something to that. So, but I am going to hang these gem things on here with my floral picks. I'm just going to put a floral pick inside there. And I'm just going to stick this out there. Now, I don't like the way that's hanging, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put two of them together. So I'm just going to put two together. I'm going to take this off the bottom. So I'm going to put two together and see how that looks. Because I don't like that one. Alright, so that's better. That's a lot better. So I'm going to take that off. Add this on. My floral pick in. Right. So I have two more strings. So I have another one over there somewhere. So I'm gonna have to get that so I can have 4 instead of just 3. So these things they come off really easy. It's like a jump ring. Well, it is a jump ring. So you just put them in there, get your floral pick. And we're going to stick it right there. Alright, so I also have this, I made this, it says Miss to Mrs. So I'm just going to stick that in the top. Stick it down in there somewhere. And then I'm going to get my other gems and add another string to the side. And then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Alright, so this is what it looks like finished. I am going to find something to add inside this bowl because I don't like the way that looks. And then I have the Miss to Mrs. Topper that I made. Yeah, so that's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you all in the next video.